So, you've got that sleek little action button on your iPhone, and all it does is silence your phone? Heads up, the action button is only available on the iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, and all iPhone 16 models. Also, many of these tricks use the iOSShortcuts app. 1. The basics. How to set it up. Go to Settings and tap Action Button. You'll see a ring with all the default actions: camera, focus mode, flashlight, voice memos. But here's the kicker. Scroll to the end and tap Shortcut. That's where the magic begins. Second screenshot, Shortcut. Let's start simple, capturing screenshots, but not like a caveman using buttons. Here's how to assign a screenshot shortcut to your action button. Open Shortcuts and tap plus. Search, take screenshot. Add another action. Save to Photos. Save screenshot to select album. Done? Now head to Settings, Action Button and Shortcuts. Here, choose your new Take Screenshot shortcut. Now one press equals screenshot plus save to your screenshots folder, like a ninja, but for pixels. 3. The quick note hack. Just tap the button and a new note instantly appears. Go to the shortcuts and add action, Create Note. In the content, add Ask Each Time, and choose your folder where you want to save these notes. Done. Now, again, go to Setting and in Shortcut, select Create Note Shortcut. It's perfect for quickly capturing ideas on the go, whether it's a grocery list, a sudden startup idea, or a thought that strikes mid-shower. 4. Supercharged. Custom shortcuts for ultimate control. We're talking multi-action menus that pop up when you press the action button. Open the Shortcuts app and add action. Search for Choose from menu. Start adding options like Shazam, text someone, call mom, open Apple Music, open Instagram camera. Now, search for Shazam and add action, long press on it and place it after Shazam app. Add action, send message, add recipients, and place it after text someone. Add action, call, and select the contact you want to add. Add action, open app, and select the app you want to add. Add action, Instagram camera, add it before end menu. Hit done. Now let's run this shortcut. Again, go to Settings and Action Button and select the shortcut we just create. And there you go. You have several options to choose from. 5. Instant reminders. Harness the power of the action button to effortlessly jot down to-dos the moment they pop into your mind, before they slip away like sand through your fingers in just a fleeting 3 seconds. Shortcuts, tap plus, and search add reminder title equals Ask Each Time. List equals your to-do list. Assign to action button. Boom. One press, and it asks, "What's the plan, boss?" 6th emergency location text. Want peace of mind in your pocket? Create a shortcut that grabs your current location and sends it to a trusted contact. In Shortcut, tap plus, search Get Current Location. Add Send Message and choose Contact. Tap arrow and turn off. Show and run. Assign to action button. Now when you press it, your live location zips off to your chosen contact. 7. Open YouTube or any app. Looking to access YouTube app in the blink of an eye? Even faster than Face ID can register? In Shortcut, tap plus and add Action Open App. Select the app that you want to open using Action Button. Now in Settings, tap Action Button, Shortcuts, and select Open App Shortcut. Feels illegal how fast it opens. 8. ChatGPT Voice Mode. Siri's charm is undeniable, but with ChatGPT, you enter a world of supercharged intelligence that clearly sets it apart. Not just in personality, but in powerful capabilities. Install ChatGPT app. In Settings, tap Action Button, and in Controls, select Open ChatGPT Voice. Hold the Action button and speak and get AI magic. It's like having a genius in your pocket. 9. Control Center Power Tools. Let's level up beyond just the Apple TV remote. The Action button can be your control center on steroids. Here's how. Go to Settings, Action Button and Controls, and choose from powerful built-in tools like Apple TV Remote. Perfect for late-night Netflix sessions when the actual remote has gone rogue. Dark Mode Toggle. Switch between light and dark themes instantly. Quick Calculator. Launch the Calculator app with one press when numbers need crunching. Type to Siri. Assign the button to open Type to Siri for quick-typed commands instead of using voice. Instant Timer. Start a Pomodoro session, workout timer, or break countdown in a flash. Tap to Cash. Send or request money with just a tap. Set it up via Shortcuts plus Apple Cash. Think of this as your instant command center. 10. Save Clipboard to Notes instantly. Copy any text effortlessly. With a simple press of a button, it was seamlessly saved to my Apple Notes. In Shortcut, add Get Clipboard and Create Note. Save to folder of choice. Name it with current date. Assign to Action Button. Now when I find something juicy online, it's saved faster than Safari can say bookmark. 11th, mask photo into shape. Give your photos a creative twist. No editing app required. With just one press, capture a moment and instantly frame it in a perfect circle, star, or any shape you like. In Shortcut, add action, take photo, and add mask photo. Then add action save to photos. Now, assign to Action Button. Boom! One press, snap, mask and save to your gallery. Fun, fast, and aesthetic AF. 12th, time-based actions. Why settle for a single shortcut when you can embark on a journey through time itself? Create a shortcut that checks time. Add the condition first if time is before 7 p.m. Add second condition if time is after 7 a.m. Add action. Turn off flashlight. Now if the flashlight is not on, then otherwise add action. Run shortcut and choose one of the shortcuts from the list. Now, if night, add action. Toggle flashlight on, done. Assign it to Action Button. It's like a chameleon button, adapting to your routine. 13th shortcut folder launcher. Last one, and it's a masterpiece. Access all your favorite shortcuts from one place. In Shortcuts, create a folder called Action Button Folder. Add all your fav shortcuts there. In Settings, Action Button, and add shortcut. Select folder. Now long press shows a quick menu of everything you need. Reminders, ChatGPT, camera, notes, choose your weapon. Bonus pro tips. Use Toolbox Pro. Supercharged shortcuts with Toolbox Pro. Unlock 130 plus new shortcut actions. It's like upgrading your spells in Hogwarts. Visit Routine Hub. Find pre-built shortcut recipes by creators. No need to code, just download and go. And there you have it. Like this video? Smash that like, drop a comment on your favorite hack, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more.